Is the ringing in your ears or the struggle to stay focused really caused by age, or is it something deeper happening inside the brain and auditory pathways? Audifort has been blowing up for a reason. It's designed to naturally support hearing clarity and cognitive health without stimulants, risky drugs, or complicated routines. If you're even thinking about trying Audifort, the official link is in the description below. That's the only place to get the verified formula with the 90-day money-back guarantee. So what exactly is Audifort? It's a liquid, plant-based hearing and brain support formula that combines minerals, amino acids, and adaptogenic herbs to nourish the auditory system and protect against oxidative stress. Think of it as nutrition for your ears and mind delivered through a simple dropper. You place it under your tongue or mix it with water, and the fast-absorbing blend starts supporting your body from within. The secret lies in how Audifort combines natural extracts with brain-boosting compounds to enhance circulation, reduce oxidative damage, and fuel neurotransmitter function. That means clearer hearing, sharper focus, and calmer nerves. Let's break down some key ingredients. Maca root supports energy and circulation for healthier auditory pathways. Grapeseed extract delivers antioxidants to protect delicate ear and brain cells. Green tea extract promotes mental clarity and reduces oxidative stress. GABA helps calm overactive signals that may worsen ringing and stress. And here's what's not in Audifort: no caffeine, no stimulants, no habit-forming chemicals. That means no jitters, no crashes, and no impact on your sleep or mood. Real users are already sharing results within just a few weeks. Many report reduced ringing, improved concentration, and a noticeable sense of calm and clarity. By 30 days, most say their hearing feels sharper and conversations are easier to follow. There are thousands of verified Audifort reviews online, and people love that it's natural, safe, and made without shortcuts. Each bottle is made in the USA inside an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility. Every batch is tested for purity and potency, so you know exactly what you're getting. Plus, every order from the official site comes with a full 90-day money-back guarantee. That's why so many people are giving it a risk-free try. If you're ready to support your hearing and mental clarity naturally, click the official link in the description below. Just make sure you order from the verified site to avoid fake bottles and to keep your refund protection. I hope this helped you understand what Audifort is all about. Take action today. Your hearing and focus deserve it.